So hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to finally show to you my Scratch projects that I have, even unshared ones, and maybe my trash can if this video won't take about half an hour. So yeah, unfortunately I kind of forgot that I have a Discord server where I asked a question, should I make this video? The answer was yes, very yes, you should make this video. So yeah, let's show you, I don't know, what should I show? There's so much very nice stuff, but okay, let's sort by, well, that's stupid. Okay, but so the project that I saved, and that was the very late project, is this one. That is somewhat popular, I guess. That is legit project that I didn't make video on, is this coding Minecraft. And it's what it says, it's coding Minecraft. I can press space and I can program stuff. So for example, loop 6 move right, how do I type? The text is so tiny. I don't know why the text right here is so tiny, but okay, sure. Loop, and then we can go move up, move up, I don't know, dig. That's all. Let's start the beautiful program, and we should mine a whole 1 block. Beautiful. And yes, here's the mission, here is the game. We have to mine stuff. I wanted to mix the craft system, but I was kind of stupid and lazy to do that, so I didn't. Actually, let me reload the page so that I won't update the project, because I really don't want to. But yeah, here's the project. To start program, here's the actual program. I mean script that runs it. It's quite sad. Yeah, it's a bad coding, don't blame me for that. That's probably the reason why I couldn't implement the inventory system to craft stuff. I mean, I have an inventory. I can, as you can see, place block, and it's quite hard. I mean, there's quite a lot of script just to place block, which is weird. But yeah, quite a bad scripting. Here's this weird separation script. Yeah, it doesn't matter. The project is okay-ish. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. So it was uploaded in August 3rd of 2020. Very nice. RGB noise, because it's quite noise and it's RGB. It's literally nothing more but just RGB noise, because why not? Everyone loves RGB noise. Clicker, it's very boring. Raycaster, the most popular project, I think. And it's popular because I made a guide on my Russian channel. So here you can see very Russian stuff. I mean, very... Yes. The guy says it's hard controls. Yeah, WAD is extraordinarily hard, I guess. But yeah, I can agree with the guy that the performance suck quite a lot, but you can make a good map to make the performance not suck. But also I can make the FOV to up to 360, so I can see behind myself. So here, as you can see, there's a wall behind. So it's quite nice. As you can see, it's a project. A whole Raycaster in Scratch, which is quite lame though. Okay. Then I have a project that I made also a guide on. Here is the first physics test. The second one is literally the same thing. We can speed it up, we can slow it down, and these are just bouncing balls. And because they start at the same position, they all bounce. Absolutely. You can predict how they will bounce. That's what I'm trying to say. Equation, quadratic equation calculator. It's a calculator. I kind of want to make a better version of it, but like nah. 3D, same as Raycaster, but I helped some dude with the project. I think that's a remix. Yes, it is. Thank Alexander for the original project. The powder toy. The powder toy. Yeah, very nice project, and it's the powder toy. I don't know how did you guess. Oh wow, it's quite laggy. Yeah, it sucks quite a lot to run it in Scratch, but it's the powder toy. I tried to copy it right here. So I can place dirt, I can place sand. And it will, I don't know, be sandy. Also, as you can see, it's a little bit random. Like it can go either left or right. So that's great. I implemented this beautiful system, and it costs a shit ton of performance. Yeah. Quite a slow, I mean, badly performing project, in Scratch at least. I have a Perlin noise, and that's actually, it was a Perlin noise at first, but then I made it as voxel space renderer, and voxel space renderer is it's this. So it's kind of 3D, but the thing is, what it actually does is, what this terrain is, it's just an 2D array of numbers, and each number represents height for each column that you see on the screen. So that's how it works. It's quite simple, and I like it actually, and I might make a game. Like a survival game. I really want to try to make a survival game out of it at some point at least. Right now I don't really feel like coding something. Here's another voxel space, but with physics and yes, shitty physics note, but that's probably because the terrain is generated extremely weirdly, and I'll definitely remake the Perlin noise generator because it's very sharp and it's not really great. But yeah, as you can see, I even have a sun, which is a sprite. Sorry for that, but yeah, don't blame me, I'm too lazy to actually use completely pen. I will make it a pen though. Conway's Game of Life not finished because I didn't implement the placing. It still works though. I can... How do I zoom out? I cannot zoom out well. Nice. Also, for some reason, cells look kind of shiny, like metal, which is weird. But as you can see, it's a Game of Life. It's extremely simple. Still cool though. Oh. Very nice. What do I have next? I probably will show you the very first project that I ever created in Scratch. Another Russian, some random Russian dude texted here for some reason, I have no idea why. But yeah, this was my very first project that I ever created in Scratch. And it has noise, I mean sounds, not noise. Fortunately, I never added music to any of my Scratch projects because it's stupid to add music. It's super annoying, and yeah. So let's pick where there is one zombie, and so we can shoot, and it's quite loud actually. Thing with shooting that I've noticed is that I couldn't implement the clone system, so I literally can shoot one bullet, and I can shoot another bullet after the other disappears. Like, it's slow, but if I stand right here, it's fast, because that's how bullets work. I also have a shop that I cannot open for some reason, but let's shoot the zombie, and that was very lame. I guess I hit a critical attack. Also, I have base boosted fucking button right here. Beautiful. The AI sucks too, because it's literally just gliding, like glide towards me, and when yeah, it just glides towards me. So if I'll move slowly right here, it will move slowly right here too. A stupid AI. Note, if you'll stand on the head for a little bit too long, you'll die in pain. But yeah, so I can buy some damage. That's actually very important to buy just damage. Also, the zombies like to spawn literally inside you. That's quite nice addition. I also tried to remake this project. Also, it's quite loud, but I tried to remake this project because it's very nice. And my second, I think, attempt was very scary because because I didn't know that you can actually run scripts in one frame. So I implemented a map loader, and the problem is when it loaded the map, it just it could glitch out and just get into infinite loop where, okay, I'm gonna die. So it could just get into infinite loop, and I would get a very scary picture of just literally one, I don't know, monolith in the middle of the screen, which was the platform. Like completely black platform in the middle of the screen, which was quite scary for some reason, because I unfortunately don't really think that I can load this project because I deleted it completely. But I probably will be able to, because I could load this project, kill the zombie, because Scratch didn't delete it actually. Like, I also removed it even from the trash can, but I still was able to download it, which is quite interesting. But okay, that's nice. What I have next is probably 3D render, or is one of my impressive, well, kind of impressive, not really. This is a 3D renderer. It has cooling problems, like if the polygon gets off the screen, like, it will not completely, it will glitch out. Unfortunately, I'm too lazy to actually fix that, so yeah. But it has lighting, like I have lighting, extremely simple lighting. But yeah, just a simple project with filled polygons, which is very nice. I have Mandelbrot zooming thingy because, oh well, that's quite actually sad. Can I maybe open Turbo Warp? Yeah, it's quite sad to test some of the projects not in Turbo Warp. Oh, okay, it's already using good pen. Where the fuck am I? Can I get please right here? Yep, thank you. So, here's the manual broadside, very nice, and I can quality lock it to 1. To be completely fucking dead, I guess. I don't know what happened. Oh, okay. So, quality lock makes you just render with the same quality without like... Because if you know lock quality, as you can see, it is quite blurry for some time, but then it's like becomes better. Yeah, very nice. So I can zoom in because it's infinitely, because it's Mandelbrot's, not. I picked a very boring position. Let's go right here. As you can see, it's quite hard to understand what's happening because of the quality lock. Let's lock it to 3. Yeah, it becomes slower when we see black things, because black means there is a lot of iterations that we need to do, and I don't really remember how much, but it's a lot. As you can see, it's quite hard to navigate with this quality, but if you'll do with this quality, like I mean with changing quality, and it will be a little bit better, I guess. And we can also render it with 1 quality, max iterations, just standard, and here we go. And actually, you know what? So it finished rendering, and I have my desktop image as from literally scratch. This is actual fucking scratch. I rendered it in Scratch, and it's very nice. Oh no, wrong thing. So yeah, as you can see, it's quite a nice project. Mandelbrot sat renderer. For some reason it's Mandelbrot. Okay, sure. I have Ray marching. It's also quite a simple project. It doesn't require that hard of math. I hid it from other people because... Nah. Because it's lame, okay? It's lame. I don't like how I implemented it in code. I really want to remake the code. Also, yes, Turbo Warp allows you to load fucking and shared projects. That's quite nice. But yeah, as you can see, it's not really good looking, but the problem is it's quite hard to modify the materials for my spheres, etc, etc. So yeah, I'll definitely will remake the project and add some better scripting, because right now it's quite stupid. But yeah, I think well, there is not much to show you really right here. In trash can, yeah, there was some project, for example, shadowcast. Yeah, shadowcaster, because it's very nice. And thing is, shadowcast, it's, well, it's cast shadows, obviously. As you can see, it's just that. It renders very nice shadows. That makes sense. Kind of makes sense. I don't know if they do, actually. But they definitely should make sense, okay? I don't know if it finds average or maximum. I think it, yeah. So, it finds maximum light at the point, not average. It doesn't average between all the light points. So, very nice. The gradient in Scratch sucks, by the way, just saying. Okay, and what is that? Oh, it's nothing. So yeah, as you can see, I tried to kill the zombie. A line, it was the test physics engine actually. It's fine. So physics engine, virtual resolution, another physics engine, tiny raycasting engine, another one. I love raycasting engines. Another physics test, something, Raycast, but with different system. A thing. Minecraft 2D, another 3D engine. That's a Warframe engine, not really 3D. A thing. That's the whole thing. I mean, what else would you expect? Oh, this thing. Yeah, I call everything a thing. So what it does is it checks the best number. So it's a random number generator, and it tests where, at which location number is like the best. Yeah. The numbers here are fucking small. Oh wow, okay. I'm gonna try to run it right here. So I'm gonna reload the page. But as you can see, they change. And like right here, wow, random. But that's the whole point, to get it as random as possible. So that would be very random. As you can see, the best is how random the thing is. Yeah. Very nice. That's pretty much all for I think. Like, there is not much to show. I don't have that much projects. I definitely have a lot of unshared ones. But like, oh, I have a very nice one. Guess what? Guess what I used for fucking sounds. Oh, this is okay. Well, yeah, I did the sounds with my mouth. It's a shitty Tetris, by the way. It doesn't fucking work. That's why I'm unshared it. Also, I think if you will just let it be. Oh, holy shit, that's surprising that. Oh, how convenient! It just fucking disappears. Why not? Let's go with. Oh yeah, so what the fuck? Oh. But yeah, I it's quite a nice project, and yeah, I like it. That's why I try Tetris. Okay, yeah, there is very colorful things right here, as you can see. Fucking, I don't know what this. Oh, I tried to make a gradient because I'm not very smart and I don't know what fucking linear. I didn't know what linear interpolation is. So just ignore that. Untitled Minecraft 2D, other version. Yeah, I tried to make a lot of Minecrafts. That's all. Pearly Noise 2. Oh, I think I accidentally made a copy of project because, for example, you can. Oh yeah. So you can, if you go inside the project, you can save as copy, I think. and it will just copy the project, and I accidentally clicked it instead of, I think, load the project. That's pretty much all for my Scratch account. Yeah. Also, I didn't. It's a fucking lie. So thanks for watching. That's all for this video. Bye.